everybody, it's Megan, and I just wanted to welcome y'all to my cooking show. We're going to do a couple simple things today, and y'all just follow along. We're going to be making a fish omelet. Alright, so to start this off, we're going to be cracking our eggs. Okay. We're gonna add garlic to our eggs today because garlic's healthy for you. And the eggs are good in protein. We're gonna be doing 3. We're gonna start chopping our vegetables. We're gonna be chopping an onion, a tomato, and a cucumber. And we're adding it all to our omelet. We're just gonna chop a little bit of each. That was the Reese's Puff. Okay. Our cucumber is good for hydration of the skin. Our tomato is good for the gums. Our onion is our antioxidant. We're going to be adding each of these to our fish omelet today. We're going to chop it in small pieces. See? Alright. I'm going to go ahead and throw our tomato in there. Alright, now we're chopping our onion. Alright, we're also going to add a little bit of parsley as well. And a little bit of pepper. Alright, now we throw our onion in. Alright, now we're going to chop up this last little piece right here. Chopping onions rough, y'all. Alright, then it's best just to remove the vegetables and get them away from you. Alright. Alright, next. You're going to stir it up. We're going to add 1 piece of cheese. Alright. Alright, now we're going to open up our flour. Now we're going to pour just a little bit in. Next, we're going to throw away the shells in this. We're gonna rinse our pan. We're going to take a little bit of butter. See? Put it in our pan. Okay. And we're going to put this up. Alright, then we're going to put our vegetables in a bag. And we're also going to be making a milkshake today as well. With our milkshake machine, you see. Alright. Alright, we're gonna wash our cup. Alright, and now I'm going to show you what we're going to be drinking today, and hopefully y'all are drinking the same thing as me. Alright, Sunny D. Okay. Alright. Alright, give me just a second, y'all. We're gonna add the last ingredient. Well, actually, there's 2 more ingredients. Our last ingredient, well, we got 2 ingredients. We're going to put a little bit of milk. We're going to use a little bit for this and a little bit for our milkshake. Alright? Alright. We're going to stir it up. Alright, and next we're adding our last ingredient, and it's gonna be hot, y'all, but it's for the brain health, you know what I'm saying? The sardines in Louisiana hot sauce. It's gonna be serious, y'all, but it's for the brain health. Hope all y'all are having sardines too. Okay. But we're gonna make it into an omelet. For this, what we might do is we might save the hot sauce and wash them. I rinsed them off. And I washed these ones off too. Alright, that's just so our omelet don't like taste like extremely hot. You know what I mean? But then we save this hot sauce if we want to like dip it in it, you know what I mean? Okay, now our spatula's ready to go. We're gonna stir this up real good. We're also gonna have sandwiches. It's gonna be an omelet and a sandwich with a milkshake. We got chicken and biscuit crackers. Next, we're not going to be needing our Reese Puffs today. Okay. I'm going to bring the coffee in there along with the sauce, and we're going to start making the sandwich. Alright. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Okay, we're gonna be making a sandwich over here in this area. Okay. Alright. So, we're just gonna take some of our honey wheat bread. I'll tell you something else that's pretty good though. Tomato sandwiches. If y'all like tomato sandwiches, they're really good as well. Healthy too. Alright, so you want to take our bread, close it up. cheese. Alright? Alright, we're gonna add our 2 slices of cucumber on the side for like our decoration. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, alright, now we're gonna add our mayo. Alright, now we're gonna put our mayo and our cheese up. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and now we're gonna pick what kind of sandwich we want. We have a choice behind having a sandwich with these. This is a can of sardines, a big one. Or we have a choice of just having this little bitty one. I think today I'm just gonna have the little bitty one. Alright, so we're just gonna put it on our sandwich. So far we've completed the sandwich. Alright. So we're going to take some of these crackers. Y'all, and just to make everything more healthier, we're gonna take a couple of these old-fashioned, I know it sounds kind of crazy, y'all. We're gonna take a couple old-fashioned oats, since you know that oats is the healthiest nut. And we'll take a couple of these nuts and we'll put them inside this omelet too. Alright, I'm gonna turn it right this way. Alright, we're gonna stir it. So this is basically just an omelet of nothing but healthy stuff. Alright. Alright, we're gonna add our crackers. See about how big the crackers are. We're gonna add these over here to our sandwich. And we'll put them inside our sandwich. This is for design. Alright. Oh, shoot. Show y'all what it's looking like. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here and we're gonna go ahead and start on our milkshake. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and start on our milkshake. Are y'all ready? Okay. Alright, this is gonna be added to our milkshake. This, milk, and ice cream. Okay. So today we're going to be using chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream for our milkshake. Alright. Okay. Okay, so how we're gonna start is we're gonna take our cup. Alright, we're gonna open up our ice cream. Alright. Okay, and we're going to scoop some ice cream into the cup. It has cookie dough in it and chocolate chips. For anybody who's a fan of cookies out there or ice cream. Alright, so we're gonna get about We're gonna put about that much ice cream in it. Pretty good bit of ice cream. Alright, we're gonna open our chocolate cupcake. Alright. See? Y'all know how great these cupcakes are? Amazing. They got a filling inside of them. Alright, we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it on top of our cookie dough and chocolate chip ice cream. For any of y'all that just wants a treat after a long, hard day. Alright, maybe want to just have one of these and be by the poolside, you know. Alright. Hey. Oh, and after you get done, make sure you put your ice cream up because it'll start to melt and everything. Alright. I'm going to show y'all something so cool on the show. You know, I normally do like a little introduction and different things and everything, like I showed y'all the Wonder Bible last time. I'm going to show y'all the introduction of this really cool dolphin. My family member got me and stuff on our trip back from Florida from a gas station, alright? And it works good with sparkling water, alright? You see anything that has that little cap and stuff, it's got a little bottle opener, the tail and everything. Yep. Alright, but next for our milkshake, you see, we're gonna add some milk. Alright. Alright, and we're just gonna kind of crush it all together. Alright, we're gonna put the milk up. And clean our surface. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the spoon out after we're doing crushing it up all nice and everything, just getting it ready for the process. Alright, and we're going to take this bowl right here. It's got a nice decoration of a tree, you see? Fancy decorative holiday bowl. Alright, so we're going to take our spoon after we're going to crush it down a little bit and everything. It's going to be the milkshake of a lifetime. A cupcake, cookie dough, chocolate chip supreme milkshake. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to press this piece right here into it. This is at Hamilton Beach. Alright, it's going to hold it. Okay, thank God for that. Okay, and so I'm gonna be plugging all this in and starting this up very soon. Give me just a moment, and I'll be right back with y'all, and we're gonna start all this up. Alright, y'all, we're ready to start it on up. Okay? we're gonna add our ground cinnamon on top. Alright, while it mixes up. Alright, we're gonna start pouring this into our pan while that mixes. We're gonna go ahead and unplug our milkshake. Let it just sit there for a second. Alright, we're gonna pull this out. It might drip, it's gonna drip. Alright. It's definitely dripping. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay that bowl right there for a second. We're gonna put this in the freezer and stuff so it can stay cold until this dish is done. I'm going to show y'all. We have these little bitty fancy little dishes and stuff for like holidays if you want to just make a little bitty fancy like angel eggs or anything fancy. You can put them on dishes like this. I'm gonna show you. We have some, red pepper is actually healthy and stuff. It is, but it's dangerously hot, y'all. So I'm gonna tell you, beware of the crushed red peppers. It's good for your health. It's hot though. I don't think I'm gonna add none of that today. Alright, it could take you a little bit, so we're just going to give it a little time to cook and everything. And we're going to get an additional sauce for the sandwich. sauce is, and the ranch dressing label looks a little crazy. We're gonna fix it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Or we might just take the ranch label off. But yeah, that's gonna be our additional. Okay. Now, as it's heating up and everything, we're just gonna add a little bit more pepper, and we're gonna end up, whenever it starts to heat real nicely and stuff, we're gonna flip it up and we're gonna put a piece of cheese in the middle of our omelet. So what we're gonna do is, instead of making an omelet, because we have so much in there, we're about to turn it into a stir fry. Alright? Because as much as is in there and stuff, it won't cook like all the way through. So it's best to do it this way. Right. But it still turns out just as good. Our crystal bowl together. Alright, it's official. While this sits here and cooks, I'm about to go ahead and get the milkshake out, y'all. Alright, this is the way it looks now. It's kind of like froze. It looks like it needs to be in there for a little bit longer for it to be complete. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it. Give me just a minute, everybody. I'll be right back to y'all. I'm back, everybody. Okay, so now our dish is complete. Okay. This is your vegetables, eggs, fish, everything you can need in a day is what this is. Alright. Whoa. Okay. So what we're going to do, take the spoon. I'm going to scrape this off a little bit. Alright. I'm going to throw this in here. Alright, and we're complete, everybody. I'm going to take y'all into my bedroom and y'all get to see how it's looking. We got our fancy coffee made at the coffee shop. Hold on. I'm squeezing through the door, y'all. Okay. We got our orange juice to perfection. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit how it's looking over here. I gotta move this piece of paper. Alright. So we got the sandwich with the crackers with the cucumber. We made a cucumber cracker bridge. We got some ranch dressing, orange juice, our fish souffle, and we got cupcakes and honey buns. We got our special coffee made at the coffee shop in the kitchen, our hot sauce on the side. Alright, and our milkshake, and we're good to go. That's our breakfast, lunch, and dinner all in one setting. We got our midnight buffet, everybody. But hey, it took us a good 52 minutes, almost going on 53, but everything's prepared, and I'm about to start my movie. But I love y'all, and thank you for watching my show. Like and subscribe. See y'all in the next show. Bye, everybody.